Hi my friends, my name's Scott. Today we're showing you these wireless mouse. Now you can get them on the Amazon listing with custom different colors. So we're going to go ahead and show you what options are available for you. Okay, these are your options. You have a nice beautiful black, low profile, but yet not too small. It's about perfect height in my opinion. You have the pink one. Charging it is right in the front, which is nice. You get your wireless USB, black with black, a white with the pink, and a white with the, I guess you would say a blue, grayish blue. What do you guys think? What color? But it's really nice. I like the colors. And you get, of course, your power cable with each one. And each one has its own manual. You have a center button. You have your center scroller, as well as it works as a button as well. You have your left and right. Let me be quiet so you can hear how quiet the buttons are. You then have two buttons on the side. On and off on the bottom. If you slide to the on position, you can slide it on even further. I believe that's a light effect mode. So you have the lights on and off or off. Let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, as we can see, it easily works. Everything works with it. It's really nice. Color's really nice as well. So it seems like when you're not using it is when it goes through the colors. And then as soon as you start using the mouse, it doesn't drain any power from, drawing with the color. So as soon as you use it, as soon as you go idle, very, very nice. I like it a lot. These mice, now how do you say it? These mouse, these mice, these mice are so awesome. These mouse are so awesome. I don't, what do you guys think? But either way, the color's awesome. They work great. They slide so nice. Free to use. No more wired mice like this one. No more of that little guy. We now got our wireless one. And it's very nice. Don't forget to turn it off when not in use. And also on the bottom, you can slide this out. If you're not going to use this, you can go ahead. So let's say you want to, it's portable to take it with you or with a laptop. You can just slide it right in there. And there you go. Pretty amazing, right?